In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive stuck on sync pending. If your files sit on sync pending and never finish, don't worry. These fixes are safe for your files and focus on restarting the connection, refreshing the app, and correcting common file naming issues. First, let's try a quick kickstart. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud, then click the gear icon in the top right of the OneDrive panel and choose Pause Syncing. Select 2 hours. This doesn't cancel anything, it simply pauses the sync engine. Wait about 10 seconds to let the service reset its handshake with the server. Then click the gear icon again and choose Resume Syncing. Watch the OneDrive panel for a moment. You should see the status move from sync pending to processing changes and ideally to up to date. If it stabilizes, you're done. If the app is still stuck, the most reliable next fix is a OneDrive reset. This clears OneDrive's internal metadata and cache without deleting your actual files. Press the Windows key and R together to open the run box. In the box, paste this command exactly, %localappdata %Microsoft OneDrive plus OneDrive XE, reset, and press enter. The OneDrive icon will disappear from the taskbar as it resets. Give it up to a minute to relaunch on its own. If it doesn't come back, open your Start menu, search for OneDrive, and open it manually. When it returns, it will reindex your files and begin syncing cleanly. This often resolves a persistent sync pending loop. If you're still seeing a few items stuck, check for naming conflicts. OneDrive is strict about certain characters in file and folder names. If a name contains a double quote, a colon, a less than or greater than sign, a question mark, a forward slash, a backslash, or a vertical bar, it will never finish syncing. Rename the item to remove those characters and give it a moment to update. Also consider the total path length. Extremely deep folder structures with long names can exceed Windows' typical 260 character path limit. If a specific file won't sync, try moving it temporarily to your main OneDrive folder with a shorter name, then let it sync there. After these steps, most libraries move from sync pending to up to date. Take a final look at the OneDrive panel to confirm everything is green and you're good to go.